Go.
Stop moving. There's a plane going up there. Wait for it.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop the
Wait for it. Wait for it. So I didn't really do an intro for this video, but let's go! Yay! No, but we might have to actually like tie his hair up.
Oh no.
Oh yeah, this good.
My forehead's going to show.
I am trying so hard. There is so much shit in here. The dog is. I don't want to step on the dog. He's dead.
If you guys are confused by this video, so am I. So I'm gonna try and narrate this for you. Let me introduce you to everyone. This is my boyfriend Zane,
But you laugh at my suffering?
and that's my friend Haley.
Have you had makeup touch your face before though?
No, I haven't.
My friend Jacob is behind the camera, Haley's boyfriend, Zane's roommate, and they were roommates.
Oh God, they were roommates.
But he edits for Muzalk, which you might have heard of, you know, big YouTuber, gaming, click, YouTube group thing. Oh, he also owns the account Larry, Barry versus Larry, you might have heard of it. It was like a whole thing, I don't know.
This is so fun. This is what like 6-year-old me thought having a boyfriend was all about.
And then there's me, Christy. Hi! If you've never seen my videos before, welcome! This is clearly filmed at like another time of the day, but quality content is what y'all came here for, right? And this is quality content.
I literally do not know how to do makeup at all. You're in very experienced hands.
Anyway, so basically I cannot do makeup to like save my life at all. And I thought this was gonna be a fun challenge video, but it just ended up being a bunch of banters. But it's really fun, so please keep watching. Thanks.
We're getting surgery.
Okay, let's not turn it.
Oh shit, sorry.
She's up with open.
Oh shit, sorry. Okay. Yeah, clearly I know everything about makeup.
Should we set up a tripod shot?
I've got my A7 III. I could set that up and
Should we do that?
separate shot if you want.
Wow, this is more advanced.
To make it
than-
more professional.
I have only shitty content, but sure, let's do it.
I mean, you say your content's shitty, but then you got Click's like original filmmaker working for you
Thank
at the
you.
moment.
Wow, flex. Okay, Jacob. But apparently that means Jacob has really expensive Netflix approved cameras, which is what he's using to film this video. And you can clearly tell I'm very intimidated by it. I rarely ever look in the camera, like all video long.
You know?
Well, now it's not shit. It was
Yeah.
Exactly.
shit.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank
now
you.
now the
Jacob.
quality's just like
Yes. I wanna see
Alright.
what it's like to be professional.
cut here.
There you go.
A cool panning shot. Whoa!
Yeah, we'll just age makeup.
Yeah, I swear to God, like in the future when I die and they go to cut me open, my lungs are just gonna be filled with foundation.
Yeah. It's like powder, and they think it's cocaine, but it's just setting powder.
It's setting powder.
Yeah, your eye sockets are really deep. Like your nose comes up really high here. And then this bit is just like a hole.
I almost just made a racist comment. But let's not do that.
You can do it.
What? No.
Okay. I'm just gonna go with it. I have never had any of my makeup that like is this used.
So I'm trying to make his forehead smaller.
Oh, I'll blend down to the neck, that's the thing. That did nothing. Okay.
Like seriously, this just proves that guys need to take better care of their skin
No,
because
it's
like
just me.
it's no, it's every guy that I've done makeup to. Their nose.
What one?
The nose always has black.
2 now. No, but it's because the nose is just so dry and crackly. Like that looks like a dam during a drought.
Hang on. Gotta get a
completely
close-up shot of
Australian.
this.
I'm just getting roasted now. This is not nice.
No, I'm saying
Going,
that I'm generalizing
it's
guys.
not focusing on his nose.
Good.
It's struggling.
It doesn't.
It's focused on the wall behind him.
It doesn't want
Wait.
to focus.
Wait.
It doesn't want to focus.
Yeah, no, it really doesn't want to focus. It's not liking that.
Yes.
I can't
Even
find
the
it.
camera doesn't like your nose.
Wait. Okay.
Sorry, I love you. I looked at this and then I didn't know how to use it, so I was just holding it this whole time.
That's the red that Haley used for my makeup.
Look how cool Haley did his makeup.
James Charles.
Then why are there so many colours? What do I do with all these colours? They all look
That
the same, but
is
not
an
at all.
experiment that you're about to undertake.
Oh my god.
Experiment failed.
Hold it out and pretend like nothing happened.
Oh, the dog farted.
Oh no. We all evacuate. We'll be back in 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
You can have my mum talking in the background the whole time.
Quality content.
We're just in the salon. It's just the lady next door getting her hair blown that's talking.
I don't know how to do this. This is so scary. Okay, I'm gonna brush your eyebrows first. That's a thing that people do.
Can we talk for a second about how good that shot looks? I look like I'm in a fucking movie. Just appreciate this shot right here.
I also don't have lipstick, so fun times. But I think it'll look like lip
Don't
tint.
need it.
Cinematic. Beautiful.
Oh, can we pause? My phone's ringing.
Yeah.
Also, I feel like this is as good of a time as any. How does that phrase work? As good a time as any. I literally had to just search that up. But I do feel like this is as good a time as any to apologize for the atrocity that is my hair. I'm so sorry, and you will be glad to know that it is now fixed. That's in the next vlog coming up, actually. It looks fine now. It's not nearly as bad.
Rest my arms for a bit. I'm holding 3 kilos.
You're weak.
But look at that. Okay, ready? Look at that. Like, what is this? And then look at how flawlessly you can't see anything.
Whoops.
Maybe afterwards I'll start using makeup for myself.
Oh, okay, yeah. And then you can. I'll steal your
I love how you, as you're looking down, Zane pulls a face like, yeah, no, that's not gonna happen. Oh my god, it's gonna look horrendous when it's done.
Oh yeah.
Zane, you are becoming a table.
Okay.
You know, I reckon this time lapse is gonna look so sick.
Let's see the time lapse.
On the first day of the year, Dudley Pippin came to live in the city. He said to his mother,
Nobody knows.
That was actually really cool. I hope you guys appreciated that, because I did. Also, just for reference, that was sped up 20,000%. So that's kind of crazy.
Should I just stick with this? This seems easier than that. That is really scary. This smells so good.
Stuffed. That's just what I
Is
heard.
there instructions on
I
this?
have no idea what you guys are talking about.
It's okay, Zane. I have no idea what I'm talking about most of the time, too. It's okay.
So then you put like a darker color, right? On like the outside. Oh my god, that did a lot. Now I'm scared. I did one stroke.
When you do it, if you get the pigment on, go like that.
Fuck, that is so ugly. I'm so sorry.
Oh my god, it's gonna look horrendous when it's done.
Oh yeah.
Apparently supposed to blend things. I saw her with like 3 brushes and I was like, shit. What do I... These all look the same.
No cheating.
Okay. That is terrible. I'm so sorry. How do I fix that? I'm just gonna keep blending it. I don't know what I did there.
Look at the focus on that face. Clearly a professional of the
All
field.
of the unprofessional world.
Meanwhile, look at confusion and fear and frustration.
Literally, what
Wait.
is happening?
Quick, cameraman, come over this side. Get my good side.
I don't know. Both sides are looking kind of alright for the different kind of, you know.
My true supporter. Thank you.
Wow, did you hear that?
This is a man's perspective.
Oh no,
Don't
I
follow.
got stuff under your eye. Hey, that's what I tried to do. See, I wasn't so far off. Hey.
Open.
I'm sorry, it's so hard.
I was doing the same thing, dude, don't worry.
Oh god, that is smudgy and it's not my fault.
It's not me, it's you.
It's you.
This bit is really annoying me, but I have nails and I don't want to scratch your eye. What?
I'm gonna look fabulous!
Open your eyes! I was gonna make a racist comment there too, but...
Oh, okay, I got it.
God, because you're so blinky, you're smudging it everywhere.
Ha, sabotage, thanks, Zane.
No matter what, like, I'm gonna lose anyway because, like, it's girlfriend, boyfriend, random stranger.
What do you even mean, Haley? Look at that. Just look at that.
Cameraman's girlfriend, close it out.
Caraman's girlfriend.
I wanna
Yes.
do that. I
Yes.
can't do that.
And you gotta keep it closed, no matter until I tell you to open, because otherwise you're gonna fuck my eyes up.
The amount of concentration of both of us right now. Alright, I'm gonna try a different method, but I need you to cooperate with me, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna hold this here and you're just gonna like blink on it.
Blank.
Yeah, so just blink. Yeah. Thank you. You're doing the work for me.
I need a moment, I'm about to cry.
You need a moment? Don't cry through mascara. Stop moving eyes!
Alright, just go.
You need more
Go.
moments?
Just do it.
I need
Do it.
Okay! Ah! I have used this for like 2 years and there's still literally this much left. It looks new. And I also just told you that I've had this for 2 years.
It's been at 2
It's okay,
years.
open your mouth. No.
Oh, is that a lip stain?
Yeah.
Oh, you're really torturing me.
Yay!
No.
Alright, okay.
My forehead is exposed.
Oh no, this is gonna stay up.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh.
That, like, you know why it looks good?
Why?
It's just covering Chrissy's eyes.
Now he looks like my grandma.
Thanks!
Wait, I just realized how fucked that is. Hold on. I need 2 more seconds. This bit is so
Hey, this is cheating.
No, it's not.
Time's up. Time's up.
Done.
Time's up.
Stop it. Time's up.
Time is off.
Zane, you weren't supposed to look at yourself.
I look fabulous. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. No, I'm going to work tomorrow with this on.
Okay, the sun has set. As you can tell, it's taken me all day to edit this video. But we did a video shoot with this like cool camera, so cue the photos. Sound effects.
Thank you for watching this video and watching me fuck up makeup really bad. Like, I've never actually exposed myself that hard before. Everyone kind of thinks like I maybe kind of can do makeup, I just don't, but I really just can't. I'm so sorry for fucking up your face, babe. But let us know in the comments who won, as if that's a competition. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!